Dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. We have brought for you video number 2 of herbs starting with bay. See these herbs, understand and learn them, and use them according to your needs.
The Persian beard tree, bakain, marking nuts, baladar, Gleric, bulblia, balsam tree, balsan, acorn, chestnut, balut, sweet violet, banafsha, glory tree, baharangi, red behan sage, behman surah, white behan sage, behman safed, Pedalium morex, booty frayed, common willow, bed sada, castor plant, bed anjeer.
I hope this video will definitely be beneficial for you. Please share this video with your friends and relatives so that they can also benefit from it. Until the next video, make sure to subscribe to our channel, like our videos, and press the bell icon.